In this lesson, we'll begin talking about one of the most important topics of this entire course, which is Three.js. Three.js is a JavaScript library that will enable us to create 3D environments on our browser. This Three.js library is created in JavaScript, and it allows us to be able to create 3D objects or three-dimensional graphics that are animated, and we can view it all in our browser. To work most efficiently, we'll be using Google Chrome as our preferred browser. The reason we're doing this is that we will be using MetaMask, which is an extension that we will use to connect our metaverse with the blockchain where we will be creating our NFTs. It's very important that we have access to this MetaMask, and Chrome is the best way to do this. The source code from Three.js is available in open source in a GitHub repository, which I have made available for you as a resource within one of the resources for this lecture. As you go to the resources tab, you'll be able to find a link, and this link will take you to this repository you're seeing on your screen. This Three.js repository, where we have included the entire code base and all the functions you will need to be able to create your own metaverse, everything's included in that one GitHub repository, which I have made available for you. And you will find that all the code that you will need is available for you within this repository I have made available for you. Best part about it all is that you don't have to start from the bottom. You actually can use it as a foundation to create your own metaverse. That way, you don't have to start from scratch. Additionally, I'm going to show you some very famous projects and very famous metaverses that you'll be able to see in a link that I'm going to share with you right now. Projects including NASA, or a project such as Ready Player Me, which is actually a platform that enables you to have avatars that you can use across multiple different metaverses. You can see my avatar here, but with Ready Player Me, I can actually go to many other metaverses with the same exact avatar. Now, I'm going to share with you a link that will take you to here. Here is the documentation for Three.js, and you're going to find multiple examples of different projects. I talked to you about the NASA example, and here you see Ready Player Me, and there are many other ones that you can actually see. The best part of being able to go to this link is that you can see for yourself what is possible. And if you want to find any of them, you can just click on one of them, and like right now, let's look at Mars 2020, which is actually a simulation done by NASA, which was actually trying to simulate the landing in Mars in the year 2020. They conducted the entire simulation of this landing in Mars, completely developed in Three.js, the same exact JavaScript library that you'll be using to create your own metaverse. As you get used to working with Three.js, you will see how easy it is to manipulate an object in 3 dimensions, which is perfect for the metaverse. As you get more comfortable working Three.js, you'll be able to see how you can apply this technology into many different scenarios, such as in the space like NASA does, or Ready Player Me for having avatars. In this course, we're going to begin from the bottom, very, very basic information to build the foundation. Your goal will be to learn how to create your very own metaverse and start developing more and more advanced projects, all built upon Three.js.